KCR comes under attack for his government's careless attitude to fight COVID-19. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has come under severe attack for the casual, ridiculous and irresponsible statement he made in the State Assembly on strategies to be adopted to tackle the dreaded COVID-19 pandemic. This time around not by his traditional political opponents, but a medical practitioner, though had some political lineage. Former Union Minister P. Shiv Shankar's son Dr. Vinay, a well-known surgical gastroenterologist whose decision to take KCR head-on over the latter's claims indeed surprised many. Especially KCR making light of the unknown pandemic threat, claiming to know how to cure too, as if he is a qualified doctor, referring to paracetamol tabs. He made the statement on the floors of the State Assembly. He even dared to dub the opposition in his usual arrogant style. Listen to what KCR had told in the Legislative Assembly.
కరోనా మాస్కులు ఇచ్చే మాస్కులు ఎందుకు నాకు అర్థం కాదు. కరోనా వస్తేనే మాస్కులు ఇచ్చేది. అది రానేలే మన దగ్గర అపోహలు దుష్ప్రచారాలు అవసరం లేదు. వాళ్ళక ఎవరికి కొట్టని చేట వాళ్ళకి పడుతుంది ఏంది గమ్మతుంది. నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే రాలే, అది రావద్దని దేవుని కోరుతున్నాం, రాదని విశ్వసిస్తున్నాం. ఇంకో మాట తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకు అధ్యక్ష తమ ద్వారా సభ ద్వారా తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకు నేను చెప్తాను. నాకు మొన్న ఒక సైంటిస్ట్ ఫోన్ చేశాడు, సార్ ఇది బక్వాస్ ఉన్నదంతా బట్టితే నేను దానికి సంబంధించిన సైంటిస్ట్నే, ఏంది బాయ్ సభ అడిగింది. నాకు నాలెడ్జ్ లేదు ఆ విషయం ఏందన్నది. ఆయన ఏం చెప్పినంటే, సార్ ఒక విషయం చెప్తున్నాను స్పష్టంగా, ఈ కరోనా అనే దానికి అసలు ఏం హైరత్ కావాల్సిన హైరాణ పడాల్సిన అవసరమే లేదు. ఇంకా జ్వరమాస్ తీసుకుని గోలిపోయింది అది పారాసిటమాల్, జస్ట్ వాటి పారాసిటమాల్ గోలించుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది సార్ అని చెప్పాడు. దానికి అంతకుమించి ఏం అక్కర్లేదు అనే మాట చెప్పాడు. రెండవది ఏం చెప్పిండంటే, ఎవరికి వస్తుందో ఏం సంగతి కానీ మన తెలంగాణకి అయితే మొత్తం వేస్తారని చెప్పాడు. ఈ టైంలో ఎందుకు రాదు అని అడిగినాడు. 22 డిగ్రీల టెంపరేచర్ దాటితే ఇట్లా ఫైర్ అయిపోతారు సార్. అసలు ఇంత ఖతర్నాక్ వైరస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 22nd degree of temperature that will not live, it will die.
The timing of Dr. Vinay's decision to produce a video raising questions and ridiculing KCR government's failure to handle such a major health crisis, in fact to strengthen the state opposition parties. Why the state opposition, even the centre's health ministry, is terribly annoyed with KCR government's failure. The central team, which visited last month and again proposes to next week, amidst doubt over the state's statistics on either on COVID-19 deaths or even the members. In its last visit report, it expressed its displeasure and also accused of fudging COVID-19 case actual figures, as well as failure to intensify the drive to conduct tests. This was in the wake of the ever-increasing new COVID-19 cases. This is how Dr. Vinay lambasted KCR. Listen to him.
This is your Dr. Vinay, surgical gastroenterologist from Hyderabad. We had the first corona case in Hyderabad in the early first week of March. I still remember Mr. KCR saying in the assembly that one stupid idiot had come down from Dubai, he's brought it, but otherwise we are not going to have any corona in this state, I'm not going to allow it, I'll spend 1,000 crores and whatnot. So anyway, well, let us leave that aside. Unfortunately, I have to mention it because the government is not responsible to what is happening today. But from there on, in the first week of March to 31st of May, the count was 2,500. Now, this was in the days when testing was not done and we were keeping on requesting for tests. We had clearly said that lockdown is not the answer for the virus, lockdown is not the treatment, lockdown is only to control it to a certain extent, but testing and isolating people is the only answer. Unfortunately, it fell into the deaf ears of the government. So, these 2,500 happened during lockdown. That means there were contacts going on and these contacts were spreading to others. If the count was on 31st of May, it was 2,500. In the last 23 days, from that to last night, from 1st of June to yesterday 23rd night, the cases have risen to 9,500, which essentially means a 7,000 rise in cases. 4 days back, one person has said that his wife was breathless. He went to any number of hospitals in the city. No one was willing to admit him. They said there were no beds. 2 hospitals, he begged them. They said, we'll give you oxygen for her to make comfortable. After that, provided you say that you will not insist on admitting her here and you take her elsewhere. He said, finally, my wife died. She suffered and died. Day before yesterday, one Dr. Gyaneshwar, who was doing extremely good service in Khairtabad area, he had a clinic, very considerate doctor, treating the poor freely. Unfortunately, such a helpful doctor, someone needed in the society today, he died after going about. His son said, I went about for 8 hours on the road and I could not get a hospital which would admit my father. Since the government is not bothered, please take your own precautions. Don't go out unnecessarily. Today a lot of people have to go out because if they don't go out, then their family needs and necessities economically cannot take place. But if you have to go out, take precautions and go out. Wear masks, do social distancing.
As if this was not enough, KCR government's decision to put on hold conducting COVID-19 tests under the garb of inordinate delay in lab reports of already tested further annoy and strengthen suspicions of the opposition as well as the Aam Aadmi. Meanwhile, the single-day spike of COVID cases over 980 add to the embarrassment to KCR. His government's failure in the fight against the dreaded pandemic has also come under national media scrutiny. How he and his health minister, Itala Rajender, propose to tackle growing criticism against his government's failure hereon, one may have to wait and see. This is MS Purthy for Orange News 9 TV.